Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos from PHN Learn. For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.
Hello guys, welcome to PHN Technology Private Limited. In today's session, we are going to learn about call by reference. In previous lecture, we have seen call by value, right? So now in the continuation, we will see what do you understand by call by reference. Now the moment I say the word reference, you can judge that this is something related about your addresses, right? Something about addresses. And the moment I say addresses in C programming language, what comes to your mind? Pointers, right? So in this session you are going to make use of your pointers, and we will see how the concept of call by reference is created and how it is implemented. Okay, so let's take an example over here. Let's create a first function. Okay, void test. Now here I will take int star a. Why I have taken it, we will consider it in my code only. Okay, and in star a I have given a value, let's say 50, and here printed it. The value of star a is %d, right? Star a. So I will call the function here first, declare it here in the beginning, and now here I will start writing the code in main function, right? So here I will directly call the function. So while calling the function, because now see, because there I have given star, means what? The moment I give a star over there, means it a pointer, right? Now pointer means what? Star a is storing what? It is storing the address of a. Then while calling the function, I will give what? I will give the address of a, means how many, how I will give it, like this, star ampersand a. Okay, so this is what ampersand a is doing. What? Ampersand a is storing my address. Okay, now print here the value of a is %d, comma a. Okay, here let's say a is equal to 20. Save it. A is after calling the function. After calling the function, let's say, and here I will take printf the value of a before calling the function. Calling the function, right? D, comma a. Now let's save this and now see what will be my answer. Okay, so clear this output first and now let's add a new line for proper understanding. Now let's run this code and see the output. Now see what is happening here. First statement is what? The value of a before calling the function is 20, and that is but obvious, because in int main I have assigned a value as 20, and that's what it is printing, right? Again the value of star a is 50. That was also but obvious. Now here what from that statement what I can judge is, now the test function is called, and because the test function is called, it is moving into test, right? And in the test only I have written star a value, that is 50, and that's what it is my printing. Okay, this two statements are very clear to us, right? Now let's come to my third statement, and that is here it is what is giving the value of a after calling the function is my 50. How has it happened? How has it happened? Because this 50 is assigned in my test function, whereas the statement, the value of a after calling the function is printed in my int main function. Then how the value of a is getting changed? The moment I am calling the function, it is getting changed. Whereas in call by value, we have studied that it only copies the value. And so whatever value I have given in int main, there what was happening? In int main, I have assigned a is equal to 20, and that's what it was printing in both the statement, that is before calling the function and after calling the function. But here this is not the case. And why isn't it the case? Let's see here. Say I have a home and there I have my address, right? So now in my home, whatever changes I am doing, it is reflecting there. Like in previously I wasn't having a garden. Now I am constructing a garden. I have constructed it. So in my address only, what I am doing, I am constructing a garden. So in my home only the changes are happening. I am not constructing my garden in my neighborhood, right? I am constructing where? In my own address, in my own house, right? So whatever changes I will do, it will reflect in my own address, and then it will show. And that's what here also it is. This is what happening here. So in conclusion, what you can say, whenever you are calling call by reference, whenever you are using this concept, means what? You are playing with the addresses of a particular variable, right? So whatever changes you are doing in your function, it will directly get reflected to your variables, because you are calling the address, storing it, and then you are doing the changes, right? So this was your concept of your call by reference. Now in conclusion, regarding call by value and call by reference, what we can conclude is, whenever you are handling call by value, there what happens, there in the function, if you are changing something, means it will get copy to the another function. It will directly copy it to the another function, and whatever changes are made in your function, that is initial function, will not get reflected to your after functions, right? But whereas in call by reference, what happens, it isn't getting copied. So therefore whatever changes you are doing in your first function, your initial function, then it will get reflect to your after function also, right? So this was the total concept of your call by value and call by reference. Mainly this call by value and call by reference concept you can use while swiping of two numbers in functions, right? And how we can do this and how we can use the swiping of two numbers with these two concepts, we will see in the later session. Okay, so this was for now. This was all about your today's session. So for now, thank you and goodbye.
For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.